sure why that's not done. Okay, that's very nice, but do you have code? I know you do somewhere. You're just hiding it from me. I don't know if it's here. Somewhere there is code. It's maybe not close output, but there is a close input apparently. For writing a file header. Okay. Okay, so you need to write a file header. Should you only do that when starting to record? I think the answer is probably yes. I don't think it makes sense to do anything else. Let's say 0. You don't. So 1 for you still need to write a header. The thing is, I still don't fully understand why these are crammed into the same structure. Like, should I be using this by having the I format and O format fields set properly? Well, properly set at the same time? Is that how this should be used? I have no idea. Right. Format, demuxing. Here's open input, and there's close input. Okay. This is a init output, not open output. And there's no uninit. Allocate the stream data and initialize the codec, but do not write the header. May optionally be used for AV write header before actually writing the header. If using this function, do not pass the same options. Okay. Right, so this does both. Should I be using this? So what does this actually get me? If I mux this, so to speak. Yeah, but how does it know? Ah, I see. So I have to actually open it. AV format alloc context. Wait, what did I have to do to open the other one? To open the input? Why do I have to? Oh, why is this so asymmetric? It's like very close to being asymmetric, but it's not. Yeah, I just opened input. Oh, wait. Can I do the same thing? Where's open input? Open an input stream specifically. Is that why it's asymmetric? Because you can read the header? from an input stream, but you can't do that for an output stream. Hmm. Does this compile at the moment? It doesn't. You must use the struct tag. Yes, I'm aware. I clearly did not, though. I did not. Audio output dealloc. What? AV format close output. Yeah. I do have a question though. What am I meant to do? So this is in what? Surely in here somewhere. A directory listing API. Okay. Why is that the only thing on this page? That's where it came from. That's not useful at all. I clearly need to know how to open one of these somehow. Let's go back here. And go back here. Where is this? This is just its own page. How do I get here? IO read write. Wait, this is the one that was empty. Oh, I meant to click on that, I think. Okay. Can I grab someone else's? Do I have to do that myself? I feel like I shouldn't. It wants me to supply these? Can I just supply the libc functions? I feel like this is not necessarily my job. And then I have to put... No. The format context does that. Its PB field must be set to an already opened AVIO context. Yeah, where do I get that though? AVIO open to or a custom one. Create and initialize an AVIO context resource indicated by the URL. Yeah, that's what I want. What is this though? An interrupt callback to be used at the protocol level. That is that is not helpful. What is C? It's the private data for... It's a dash context? What is this, a shell? I mean, what am I meant to do with that? I've got to create the streams. This is way more complicated. Okay. I gotta do all this stuff myself. Alright, I mean, I can do that, that's fine. But my concern is all this shit should be configurable. Or at least a decent amount of it should be configurable. Or if not configurable, automatically deduced. So how am I going to put all this stuff in the UI? Like on the command line when you use ffmpeg, yeah, you can do all this stuff manually, or most of this stuff manually. But how do you put this into a UI? Okay, this looks way more complicated than I was expecting. We might have to call it there, because we've been going for a while, and I'm pretty tired. So we'll have to pick up on this and see if we can get our record button working next time.